Now I give lecture on state space models in automatic generation control in interconnected power system. Under state space models, we studied about the state space model of an isolated system, pole placement design and optimal control design. First, introduction about state space model. The root or criterion can be used to determine a range of parameters for the stable operation. The state space model of a system allows the design of a controller using all the state variables of the system. This technique is extremely useful in multivariable systems. Now you see the diagram. This is the implementation of automatic generation control. Then Fs plus and then F, then centrally measured frequency only, then die line force, net interchange, area control error, after that filter, then proportional integral controller K, and then allocation to plants. Some other issues. What are the issues? Means economic dispatch, governor response, energy balance. The output of allocation to plants is del P reference to units every 5 seconds only. This is the implementation of automatic generation control in interconnected power system. To use the state variables feedback technique, the states must be accessible in the physical systems. Now we will see the state space model first for an isolated system and then for a two area system. First one is state space model of an isolated system. The isolated system with automatical generation control. The S domain equations are 1 divided by 2Hs plus D into del Pm of S minus del PL of S equal to del omega of S only. From which we get del omega of S into 2Hs plus D, that is equal to del Pm of S minus del PL of S. S into del omega of S equal to minus D divided by 2H del omega of S plus 1 divided by 2H del Pm of S minus 1 2H del PL of S only. So from the turbine model, the valve power del PV of S into 1 divided by 1 plus S into TTR equal to del Pm of S. Now you see the diagram. This is the isolated diagram. Isolated system diagram with automatic generation control. First del P reference of S, that is plus, then 1 by R, that is the speed droop, both are summarized. Then go to governor model, that is 1 divided by 1 plus S Tg. This is the governor model system. Then the output is del PV of S. Then turbine model 1 divided by 1 plus S into TTR. And then the output of the turbine model is del Pm of S. Then that is the PD will come, that is the change in load PD. Then you can go to generation plus load model 1 divided by 2Hs plus D, that is generation plus load model. The output is del omega of S. The del omega of S again come to the proportional integral controller minus Ka of S. Again that goes to the del P reference of S. This is the closed loop only. So this figure represents the state space model of an isolated power system. So now you see the equations. From the diagram you have tried the equation. 1 plus S into TTR into del Pm of S equal to del PV of S. So that means the transfer function is output divided by input only. So then from this end we can write this equation. Then state model equation, S into del Pm of S equal to minus 1 divided by TTR into del Pm of S plus 1 by TTR del PV of S. For the generator, we have del p reference of s minus 1 by r into del omega of s into 1 divided by 1 plus s tg equal to del pv of s. Del pv of s into 1 plus s into tg equal to del p reference of s minus 1 by r into del omega of s. This is the governor model equations from the governor model. Then the state equations is s into del pv of s equal to minus 1 divided by tg into del pv of s plus 1 divided by tg into del p reference of s minus 1 by r tg into del omega of s only. Now for the integrator, that is the proportional integrator controller for integrator ki, that del p reference of s equal to minus ki divided by s into del omega of s. Now the state equation is s into del p reference of s equal to minus ki del omega of s. So the equation 36 to 39 are the required state equation. We can define the state vector in time domain only. What is the state vector? That equation is x equal to del omega del pm del pv into del p reference the power t only. So the external input as del pl, that is a change in load. Now the state equations can be determined into time domain and written in a matrix form, that is del dot del omega del dot del dot pm del dot pv del dot p reference, that is equal to, that means we can write this is the 4 into 4, that's the matrix form and all we have to write and all. Then that is the minus d, from before we write down the equation we have to write down the matrix form, then you can multiply it with del omega del pm del pv del p reference plus, that means minus 1 divided by 2h into del pl only. So this is the standard form of the state space model. X dot of t is equal to a x of t plus b u of t, and then y of t is equal to c x of t plus d u of t. This is the standardized state space model equations. So where x of t is the state vector, u of t is the input vector, y of t is the output vector only. So the equation, that means the 42, that means from the 42 the x of t equal to del omega del pm del pv del p reference the power t, that is the transpose matrix. U of t is equal to del pl, y of t is equal to del omega, that is the output is del omega, change in frequency. Then input vector is the change in load del pl only. The state vector only del omega del pm del pv del reference the power of, that is the transport matrix. Now we have to write down the A matrix is from the equation we have to write down the A matrix and then B matrix and then the C matrix and then the D matrix. All the value have to substitute in the standardized state space model. We can get the state space model equation of an isolated system using automatic generation control in interconnected power system. The under state space model, second one is the pole placement design only. What do you mean by pole placement design? Mean the coefficient matrix A determine the stability of the system. For the system to be stable, the eigenvalues of the matrix A should all lie on the right hand side of the S-plan. We can design the controller so as to place the pole on L right hand side further away from the imaginary axis. Consider the control system which is shown in the figure only. Here we assume that the external input R of t to be 0. The state feedback control used is given by u of t is equal to minus k x of t. X of t is nothing but what? Input vector. U of t is nothing, the x of t is the input vector, u of t is the, that means that is the load, and then from the standardized equation y of t is equal to, that is the output vector only, where k is a 1 into n vector of a feedback gain. This would be that means return all the state variables to 0 when they have been perturbed, there is no external input. Now substitute the equation 43 in the state equation. X dot of t is equal to a x of t plus b into the instead of u of t we have to substitute minus k into x of t only. Now we get a minus bk into x of t, that is equal to a into fb x of t. This is the equation number 14 only. Now, where AFB is the coefficient matrix with feedback only. So, the characteristics equation for the above state space model is given by modulus of, that means SI minus AFB equal to modulus of SI minus A plus BK, that is equal to 0. Now, the equation is written in the matrix form, you see in the screen only. Now, the pole placement design diagram is R of that T summation. The summation is K1, K2 up to Kn, that is the integral part only up to 1 to n and all. And then U of T only, and then plant, then you can get the Y of T. That is the load, that is the change in load U of T only. And then Y of T is nothing but the output. Then that is the input only x1 of t to xn of t. This is the diagram represent the pole placement design of the state space model of the model using automatic generation control in interconnected power system. The substituting A and B matrices in the canonical form, then now we get the equation Si minus A plus Bk modulus, and then Sn power n plus an minus 1 plus kn, the power Sn minus 1 plus up to goes on increasing a1 plus k2 into s plus a naught k1 is equal to 0. So, suppose we specify the closed loop pole location as minus lambda 1 minus lambda 2 up to minus lambda n. The desired characteristics equation is dc of s is equal to s plus lambda 1 s plus lambda 2 plus dot s plus last term is s plus del n. Therefore, that means s power n plus dn minus 1 s minus 1 plus the last term is d1s plus d0 is equal to 0.